hook. Data East, 1992. What was originally planned to be a shop and polish turned into something much more work-intensive. The first videos of this series were showing you the repair and complete teardown of hook, and during that teardown, I made the decision to preserve the playfield. I chose to use this game as content in showing you how to clear coat your playfield. That 2-part video series can be found on the Straight Down the Middle channel for all the details. While this series finale will not be going over all the details, I will still show you the process. And of course, the final product. Let's just jump right in. The first coat did not do well. Now in the video series I go over the possible reasons of why my first coat did not do well. And as you can see, it's doing a little bit of a coagulation effect and it does not look good. I had to make the decision of either scraping all this off, sanding, and then starting over again, or flood the playfield. And you can see what I chose to do. This is actually the better move to do. Approximately 24 hours after that, I sand it flat. And we apply the next coat. The next coat, as you will see, goes 100% better, giving the ideal effect of what you should see when clear coating your playfield. Now obviously this is sped up for time-saving purposes, but you will get to see what the end result does. Our second and final coat is complete, and we can move on to sand and then polishing. I'm going to do an 800 grit sandpaper and then work my way up all the way to 5,000. Each time I go up a grit, the playfield gets much more of a shine to it. It starts looking much better. Once I've sanded it all the way up, I will then do my buffing and polishing. Get it all polished out, and now it's time to reassemble this machine. Get all the excess clear coat out of all the orifices. Dremel out all my light bulb sockets to make sure they work, and play this machine.